Hi there, and thank you for scheduling time to meet with one of our attorneys here at NTegrity Law. We're genuinely grateful you've chose us because, let's be honest, talking about estate planning isn't usually at the top of anyone's fun things to do list, but it's one of the most loving and responsible gifts you can give your family. Estate planning really comes down to two big decisions. Who's going to be in charge of the things when you're no longer here, and who gets what from the life you've worked hard to build? We use tools like wills and trusts and powers of attorney to make sure your wishes are crystal clear and that your family isn't left playing detective later on. In our first meeting, our main goal is simply to get to know you. We want to understand your priorities, your values, and what you want your legacy to look like. Once we've got that picture, we can recommend the right documents to bring it all together. Think of it as tailoring, with fewer pins and more peace of mind. It's helpful if you come prepared with a general idea of the types of accounts you own and their approximate values. Nothing fancy. We're not asking you to bring a spreadsheet worthy of the Wall Street Journal, just enough to help us plan effectively. If you have any out-of-state real estate, bring copies of those deeds for easier funding. If you don't have everything together, don't worry about it. Come anyway. We can work with what you have. By the end of our meeting, if you choose to move forward, you'll have a clear roadmap and a design for your plan ahead. Thank you again for choosing NTegrity Law. We look forward to meeting with you and promise to make the process as simple and as painless as possible.